trees. These freaking trees fell. Break down. Oh shit. Honest. You know, due to the Kariba Dam, we have no electricity. Except hapa kwa nyumba. Guess what? I tell you what. Looks like we might have electricity. My traffic lights yesterday is hapa corner. Oh, I'm just praying. I'm praying to God. Oh my goodness me. Oh, I hope line yato. Ooh, looks like we got. Ooh. Looks like we got. Oh, it looks like we have. Holy moly. We have electricity. No, we don't. Not really. I mean, it looks like we do. Some houses. Some houses don't, some houses do. We shall find out in Conca, in the great of Africa. We shall fight it. Oh, my light, Jericho. Oh my God, I can't believe this.